Hello, my name is Jacob, and I'm going to be teaching you how to identify if a function is continuous everywhere. So we're going to give ourselves a function. This is one that I got from the homework. So this one is x squared minus 3. So as long as x is less than or equal to c. And then for x minus 7, x is greater than c. So what our task here is to do is to identify what c is. So, and this will tell us whether or not the function is continuous everywhere. So in order to identify c, we're going to go ahead and set these two equations equal to each other. So x squared minus 3 equals 4x minus 7. And then once we've done this, all we have to do really is just try to solve for x. So simplifying this, we'll just go ahead and put these all onto one side. 4x plus 7, and then that'll give us x plus 4 minus 4x, and then that equals 0. So we'll take this, and you can either use the quadratic equation and go ahead and solve this way, but in this instance, I actually know that this is a perfect square, and that is x minus 2 squared equals 0. So through this way, since we already have a perfect square, we know that the function is going to be continuous because our solution is 2. Say if the equation was not a perfect square and when we use the quadratic equation, we got two separate answers, whether it was plus or minus. In that instance, the equation would not be continuous because our equations do not equal each other in only one way. So there are multiple possible answers for whether or not x for our c value. So in this case, we'll just go ahead and double check our answers as well. 2 squared minus 3, which equals 1, and then for 8 minus 7, which also equals 1. So in this instance, if we plug into 2 in our x values, it's going to equal the same answer, so 1, in both cases. And this tells us that our equation is in fact continuous. Thank you.